welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, this is Lola Loc Life, a channel where I'm currently documenting my locks in a starter phase, and I'm trying to figure it out every step of the way. So if you're someone like me, you are welcome with much love. I am Lola Classic. So let us get into what we'll be speaking about today. I am going to be talking about celebrities that have inspired my lock journey so far, and yikes, I am so excited to talk about them. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share this video to someone who might need it. So let's get right into the video. Celebrities that have inspired my lock journey so far, and I love them with all my heart because of how they have portrayed and showed the lock lifestyle. And wait, if you actually love the earrings I am putting on, these fringe earrings, I created them. I make handmade beaded accessories, and you can check me out on Instagram at Lola Classic Craft. I make anything beaded accessories, from beaded bralets to earrings to waist beads to anklets to bead bags. I could be your plug. So check me out on IG and I'll be right there. So celebrities that have actually inspired my lock journey is the two sisters. Guess who the two sisters are? Chloe and Hailey Bailey. Oh my god, I love this lady so much, and I like how they have presented themselves in the locks lifestyle. They have been so amazing. From like, their stylist needs to be given like kudos. If you don't know Hailey is the lady from the Little Mermaid film. She sings and she also acts, same as Chloe. Chloe is a singer, and I think they had a show together when they were younger and grownish. They were literally featured in that show. So these ladies have actually portrayed themselves in a beautiful light when it comes to their locks. They could style their locks into different versatile hairstyles. In a world where they say locks is not versatile, locks is not versatile, no, they made it very versatile. And I feel like so far so good. You are the one that makes what your locks want to look like. You express your creativity and your individuality with your locks. So if someone is telling you, okay, you are just having locks and you just look one the same way, you can actually change the narrative and show them that you can do different things with your locks. And this is what these girls have done. And apart from their locks, I love their personality, I love their lifestyle, I love how beautiful and the energy that they radiate actually. So they are my favorite celebrity that I look up to. They are my role model. They inspired me to get my locks. And of course, I will continue to look up to them because you see them, it is not an easy thing for you to nurture your locks. They've been able to nurture their locks to this extent, standing together as sisters. That is so lovely. And apart from that, I love their sister bond. Like, you know, at one point I thought they were twins. It was later on that I actually figured out that no, they're actually, one is older than the other. So I love their sister bond because I have that kind of bond with my sister too. So there's just a lot to love about Chloe and Hailey actually. I will show you the hairstyles on the screen. As you can see, they're so stylish, so pretty. Oh my gosh. So they have literally influenced my locks journey and my locks life. I feel like they are one of the celebrities that live one of the best lock lifestyle. Like, you know, they show the versatility in locks, right? So yeah, those are the celebrities that have inspired my lock journey so far. I love them, Chloe and Hailey Bailey. So tell me yours in the comments. If you have any celebrities that have inspired your lock journey, you love how they've done it. Let's make it very conversational. Tell me in the comments. I'll be willing to see yours too. So there are other videos that could literally be helpful for you on my channel, especially if you just started your lock journey or you are about to start your lock journey. You can watch out other videos and get enlightened on how the journey has been for me and how it might be for you too. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video. So thank you for watching today. Bye for now, and I'm still your girl Lola Classic. I will be back very soon with another update. Bye.